Every bag of cassava flour begins here. After growing underground for near fresh roots are immediately transported to the processing factory to bleach and freshness.
Fresh cassava roots must be processed quickly. Every truckload is weighed and carefully inspected. Only premium cassava enters the production line. Strict quality control ensures food safety standards.
Before processing begins, every cassava root must be thoroughly cleaned. Vibrating separators remove stones and field debris that could damage expensive machinery. The roots then pass.
After washing, the cassava enters the peeling section. Automated peeling machines remove the thick outer trained workers. They manually remove remaining portions. Only perfectly cassava continue.
After peeling and trimming, the cassava undergoes a final sanitary wash using clean food-grade water. This stage removes the smallest remaining peel particles and ensures every root meets. After the final sanitary wash, the cassava roots enter high-speed cutting machines. The roots are first trimmed and then sliced into thin, flour production process. The freshly sliced cassava chips now enter one of the most critical stages of production, controlled drying. Powerful hot air dryers gradually remove starch inside the cassava. Before milling begins, every batch of dried cassava chips undergoes strict laboratory testing. Scientists measure moisture content, starch quality. Only approved chips proceed to grinding. After passing strict quality inspection, the dried cassava chips enter powerful industrial hammer mills. Fully enclosed milling and dust-collected fine grinding.
After primary grinding, the coarse cassava flour enters ultra-fine milling machines. Advanced air classifier technology continuously separates larger particles and returns them for regrinding. To achieve premium quality, the cassava flour passes through precision vibrating sieves that remove coarse particles and fiber, producing an exceptionally smooth texture.
After final quality inspection, the premium cassava flour is transferred to fully automated filling machines, computer-controlled weighing systems into every bag with exceptional precision. Using a fully automated recipe system, premium cassava flour is blended with coconut milk, eggs, sugar, creamy consistency. Every batch is carefully tested before the finished batter is automatically deposited into baking trays using high-precision filling systems. Every tray receives exactly the same amount of batter before passing through leveling systems.
After filling, the trays enter a giant industrial tunnel oven, where carefully controlled heat transforms the smooth batter into soft, moist cassava cakes.
After baking, the cakes are cooled. Premium cheese is applied. A finish bake melts the topping.
After cooling, each cassava cake is precisely cut. This is done using high-speed ultrasonic technology.
Each cassava cake is carefully placed into food-grade trays. Sealed in a protective atmosphere, they are inspected,